How to fix the Instagram algorithm. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am your solution guy Bimal, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can beat and fix the Instagram's algorithm. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First thing first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app if there is an update button available. However, after you've updated it, let's say that you open Instagram app and let's say the Instagram does not simply support your account. If you have a public profile, you're trying to attract followers, you're trying to attract audience, you're trying to reach more customers and more visitors, and Instagram just does not actually recommend your account. There are a couple of ways on how you can work this around, and I will show you some of the tips and tricks which you can use in this video. Apply them to your own account and simply try to actually go ahead and simply beat the Instagram's algorithm. The very first thing to do is to simply make your account public. So if you have a private profile, Instagram is not going to recommend them other than your followers, which is why you want to switch to public account. Make sure you have a creator or a business account if you're a legit business. I also recommend you to simply try to upload your stories daily. For example, if you're consistent with your stories, Instagram is going to actually recommend that account more. If you're inconsistent with your stories, it would simply mean that lack of engagement and lack of followers as well. The other thing you also have to do is utilize all of the features on Instagram. For example, you have the Instagram Reels right over here. If you have Reels and you're trying to attract more audience, then Instagram Reels is one of the best ways to do it. If you go ahead and look for a particular reel and so on, it is going to simply recommend them to others. And now right over here you can see the explore feed. If you want to also get your Instagram's photos and pictures on the explore tag on Instagram, what I would recommend you do is to simply try to use hashtags. For example, if you look, almost all of the profiles over here are actually using better hashtags in order to rank their audience and to rank better in the search results. So make sure you're using effective hashtags, try to create reels, upload story daily, and last but not the least, what I would suggest you to do is to simply also actually boost your account. If you have a bit of investment left over, you could try to go ahead and sponsor and then boost your account in that way and run a few bit of ads in order to engage more customers and attract more clients. Hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.